Fridge. So this is an initiative for people who are living in a food desert. So this area of Saskatoon that we're in right now is considered a food desert because there is no